Hi, I'm Tom with Ask the Chimney Sweep. Today we're going to be talking about Heat Shield. It's a great product for restoring the integrity of your chimney. When you have cracked or damaged clay flue tiles, this is a great option and method of repair, and there's no demolition involved, and it's oftentimes more cost effective than installing a stainless steel liner. This is an example of the inside of your chimney with Heat Shield applied from top to bottom, filling in all of cracks and damages and defects between the mortar joints. Heat Shield will offer a lifetime warranty, and it's often less expensive than methods such as stainless steel relining. Cracked and damaged chimneys are not currently up to code. Here are some examples of a Heat Shield repair bringing your system up to codes. For info on how to find a factory trained installer in your area, click here.